We remove the back cover. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. We disconnect the main camera of the device. We remove the screws. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Here we have the antenna. We release the connector of the touchscreen. Here we have the power and volume control flex. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. Now we have to remove the screws from the motherboard. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Now we remove the screen connector. Very carefully, we remove the speaker. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Lift gently the device motherboard. We disconnect the front camera. This is the external antenna. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.